Now it is time for us to start writing some code. Okay, so go ahead and create a folder wherever you want. You might want to create in a desktop, or you want to create in some root directory. What I've done here is I have created this folder called Node React in the root. Okay, so if you go to the terminal and list out all the files using this ls command, you see I have all these folders here. If I want to go to desktop, I would do desktop, and there I see a lot of files here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the root directory using the cd and clear out the rest of the commands there. And if I list out, I have all these folders here, and Node React also must be here somewhere. Yeah, Node React. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside this folder, cd Node React. Okay, and I have nothing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file, and you can just go there and manually create a new folder, or you can do from the command line. So make directory, let's call it node basic. Okay, so it has been created. Let's create a file inside this node basic. So let's get inside node basic, and let's create a file using this touch. Let's call it app.js. Okay, and let me drag this to my text editor. I'm using Sublime Text here. Okay, so I have this project here, app.js. Let's write something here, very simple. Let's write console log hello from Node.js. Okay, let's save this file. Let's go to the terminal, and we are inside that project, right? So here, what I can do is I want to execute this file, app.js. So I can use node for that. So node app.js, hit enter, and you see hello from Node.js, because that is what we are logging in this file. Perfect. Let's learn a bit more about all these basics, because these basics comes really handy and really useful when you actually start building real application. Okay, so let's continue in few other lessons, learning the basics, making ourselves comfortable before we begin writing the actual code and start building real applications. All right, see you in the next lesson. Thank you.